Okay, looks like we're in business, so I am going to be showing that I can calculate the mean number of hiccups per minute for each participant. So I am going to go into my already saved data set. I'm going to go to transform, and then I'm going to compute variable. And from here, I'm going to target it as mean. Oh, I can lowercase that. Mean hiccup per minute. Perfect. And then I'm going to be doing baseline because that's how many hiccups, that's what it was charted for at first. Move it over. I'm going to go to statistical, over to the function statistical. I'm going to hit mean, and then I'm going to click OK because that's what I want. And then it's going to pop in my data set, and I'm going to change the measure to scale because it's measuring something. And then I'm going to come over here, and then it's entered into my data set. And I'm going to save it, and that is all.